Guys, Ethereum looks about ready to take off to the moon. So let's delve into this. Let's do some technical analysis, talk about major important price levels. So if you like the sound of that, I'd like to ask you if you could please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. And at the end, I will talk about gold-backed cryptocurrency. So if you like the idea of that, stick around to the end. Guys, Ethereum is testing what I would consider to be perhaps the most important resistance in and what could be considered Ethereum's history. Because if we get above this resistance level, that means that we're going to shoot up and Ethereum is going to start its own massive bull run, much like Bitcoin. Guys, the 500, basically the 490 to the 500 is what I would consider to be Ethereum's most significant, most important resistance. Maybe even the 516, because if we look back at the last cycle, um, you know, yeah, looks like 515 is a very important resistance. But my point is, if we can get above 490, 500, I think we're going to test 515, 516. So, I would wager that this is the most significant price level for Ethereum and perhaps forever, because if we can get past these important resistances in the low 500s, 490 to low 500s, we're shooting up, guys. We're going to test all-time highs. I mean, in time, guys, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. We could always have a pullback. Stock market could decide to crash tomorrow. So there's a lot of caveats here, but point being, Ethereum has been pumping as of recent, okay? And it's broken up. Guys, look at this. So let's talk about why it's so bullish, like even in the near term. So we're in a ascending triangle. We broke up. It was a fake out. We went back down, found support, and we went back up above our resistance. So this is very, very, very bullish. In the near term, our most significant resistance is the 490. If we can get past 490, I'm sure there's going to be a large sell wall at 500. But if we can get past those two, we're going to test 515. If we can get past 515, I think all-time highs for Ethereum at 1400 is not too far away. Like, this is actually crazy. Ethereum is looking extremely bullish. We're up against the most significant resistance levels and what I would argue to be all of Ethereum's history. So this is crazy, y'all. So okay, let's take a look at the technicals here. Yeah, weekly looks extremely bullish. We're above all our EMAs. Let's take a look at the daily here. Yep, daily. We have decreasing volume, which is not bullish, but it makes sense because we're right up against resistance. If we can break past the 490, then I think that's when the volume would come in. Another thing to consider too: once Bitcoin decides to cool off, consolidate, or pull back, the altcoins such as Ethereum and many others are very likely going to benefit from that, because when Bitcoin dominance falls, the altcoins do better. So that's something to consider here. Now, instead of just continuing to ramble on with Ethereum, guys, just be aware we're up against major resistance. If we can get past the 490, then we're testing 515. If we can get past 515, I think all-time highs for Ethereum is not too far away. And again, I think we should keep an eye out for Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin decides to cool off, consolidate, or have a pullback, and Bitcoin dominance falls, I think the altcoins will benefit from that. Ethereum and many others, Chainlink, XRP, a lot of altcoins will benefit from that. So I'm going to be keeping a very close eye here on Ethereum. So, very interesting times for Ethereum. I think we could see all-time highs very soon if we break past these resistance levels. So, guys, it's time to shill GSX. So, for those interested, GSX is a brand new cryptocurrency made by Apollo Fintech. It's gold-backed cryptocurrency. It has not been released to the exchanges yet. Basically, the gist of this thing is Apollo Fintech runs these gold mines. 50% of the profits from these gold mines will go to actually backing the cryptocurrency itself. Okay, guys? I want to make a few things very clear here. Just got a text from Messin. He just realized we passed 1,000. Yeah, so just to get back to what this is so yeah, here's their timeline right here. They claim that in 3 years' time, there will be enough assets backing the coin to have an asset valuation of $1 per coin. They're currently selling for 10 cents a coin. Now, just be aware the trading price may be more or less, okay? But before you FOMO into this, I really want to encourage you guys to please do your own research, okay? I'm going to leave a link down in the description to their white paper, their website, and a video where I delve more in depth to what I see as the pros and the cons with this project. So check all three out. And if you want to participate in this thing, I invite you to check out the link down in the description where it says 5% sign up bonus. If you sign up using that link, you will get a 5% sign up bonus on top of what they're offering, the 34% they're currently offering as well. So, yeah, they're currently working on a Binance listing. That was the thing that tipped me off. So, guys, please do your own research. Please practice proper risk management, meaning don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. Practice proper portfolio diversification. Don't throw all your eggs into one basket. I have my investments spread out over several different coins. I suggest you do something similar. Again, but then again, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't listen to me. Do what's best for you. And but I do occasionally say some things that make half sense. So take what I say with a grain of salt. And understand your own risk tolerances. Are you very risk averse? Are you not? I'm not risk averse, so I decided to invest into something new. Investing into any cryptocurrency that's new is risky, carries some degree of risk. Now, I think this was compelling enough that I decided to invest in it. If you find it, if you do your own research, and if you decide that you find this compelling enough, like I said, y'all, check down the link in the description. Also, if you're new to cryptocurrency and you want to know how to buy cryptocurrency easily, or if you just want to use an easy-to-use exchange, I always recommend people check out crypto.com. Crypto.com is extremely easy to use. It's very streamlined, very user-friendly. So if you're new and want an easy-to-use exchange, or if you've been around and just haven't experienced an easy-to-use exchange, check out crypto.com. There's a link down in the description. If you decide to buy a certain amount of Crow, which is crypto.com's coin, you get a $25 sign up bonus, and so do I, but that is not necessary. You can just sign up using my link down below without having to buy that cryptocurrency. But then again, there is that option that if you buy a certain amount using my link down below, you'll get an additional $25 US, and so will I. But again, that's not, you don't have to, that's just an option. You can just sign up with crypto.com and do whatever you please. And also, if you'd like what I do here on the channel and you want to support me, there's also the option to donate cryptocurrency directly to myself. Down in the description, there's a bunch of addresses for a bunch of different cryptos. So again, guys, please only do so if you're well off and you could spare it. If you like what I do here on the channel and you want to support me, there's that option. But again, the most important thing is that we accumulate our own bags for this next bull run. But if you're well off, you like me, you like what I do, want to support us, that's the best way of doing so, donating crypto directly to myself. And yeah, that's enough of that, y'all. Thanks if you've sticking around this long. You're a trooper. I appreciate the hell out of you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Hit the bell icon to be notified of new uploads. And I'll see y'all on the moon. Take care. God, that's cringy. Fuck.